A projector is a device that projects an image or a video onto a surface, such as a wall or a screen. If you are looking for best docking stations, that's great. So, let's begin. Number 1. Most popular. USB-C Docking Station Dual Monitor. Support SST and MST for Windows OS. You can mirror or extend with crystal clear 3D visual and high-quality video experience through 2 HDMI ports and 1 VGA. HDMI resolution will be 4K at 30Hz, while DP0.4 source if 2 monitors play simultaneously. Display output will be 1080p at 60Hz when dual or triple display with VGA. 3 USB 3.1 up to 10G, backwards compatible with USB 3.0, 2.0. 2 USB 2.0 ports are more suitable for mouse, keyboards, or other slow device to improve work efficiency and avoid radio signal interference. 1000M Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 port can download movies quicker, reduce latency in games. This USB-C dual HDMI adapter makes listening, talking, or recording a breeze. Plug in your earphone to ensure you charge and listen to music at the same time when connecting HDMI. The audio port can be directly plugged in and used. When using the headphone jack alone, you need to make settings. Number 2. StarTech.com USB Dual HDMI Adapter. USB 3.2 Gen 1 to Dual HDMI adapter lets you extend your desktop by adding up to 2 HDMI monitors to your laptop or desktop computer using a single USB Type-A port, 1x for K30Hz UHD, and 1x 1080p 60Hz output. Supports a total of 3 displays in extended mode, including laptop screen, at your workstation, in HDTV boardrooms or home offices. USB to dual HDMI converter, plug-and-play setup on Windows with auto driver install. USB-A to dual HDMI adapter is only compatible with Windows, does not support macOS or Linux. USB 3.0 graphics card adapter to connect multiple screens. This USB video adapter is not intended for graphical intensive applications, such as gaming. Number 3. Pluggable Thunderbolt Docking Station. This Thunderbolt and USB-C dock enables 2 4K monitors via 2x HDMI or 1x HDMI and 1x DisplayPort. Gigabit Ethernet, headset audio jack. This USB-C docking station provides up to 100W charging for compatible USB-C, USB 4, Thunderbolt 4, and Thunderbolt 3 laptops via 2.6 Thunderbolt cable. Laptop docking station with an HDMI and DisplayPort port. For dual HDMI monitors, DisplayPort to HDMI adapter included. Drives dual 4K 60Hz displays via Thunderbolt, or dual 1080p 60Hz or single 4K 30Hz display via USB-C. This Thunderbolt dock allows for flexibility with USB-C, USB 4, Thunderbolt 4, and Thunderbolt 3 laptops, perfect for work from home or office environments utilizing both Windows and macOS. Number 4. WAVLINK 4K Universal Laptop Docking Station. With support for quadruple monitors at 5K 4K at 60Hz resolution, this docking station offers an unparalleled visual experience that is perfect for multitasking or streaming. This docking station provides an immersive visual experience that is perfect for professional multitasking or entertainment purposes. Equipped with a 2.5 Gbps Ethernet and SD 4.0 card reader, as well as a powerful 100W host charging capability, so you can transfer large files quickly and charge your laptop fast. The WAVLINK Universal USB-C docking station is compatible with Thunderbolt 3 and 4. USB-C Windows and Mac devices, allowing for seamless integration into your existing setup. 18 months worry-free warranty and lifelong friendly customer service and technical support. Number 5. Pluggable USB Dual 4K Display Docking Station. Designed for those who want a one-stop upgrade for your USB 3.0 or USB-C laptop. The Plugable USB 3.0 Dual 4K Docking Station UD6950Z allows you to add dual displays using DisplayPort or HDMI and connect your peripherals, all through a single cable back to your laptop. Quickly come and go from your desk with ease. By connecting many devices with just one cable to your laptop, you gain 10 extra ports of connectivity, making it easier to do more work in less time. The UD6950Z is the dock you need to maximize your productivity and your workspace. Great for business users such as email, web applications, Microsoft Office, and more. Featuring a vertical design, you can easily slip this dock under your monitor and save valuable desk space.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.